everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy recipe for blueberry and lemon muffins. Okay, and there are three options actually on the recipe sheet: apple and cinnamon, cheese and ham, or lemon and blueberry. So I'm going for lemon and blueberry today. Now these would make a great breakfast or just have with a cup of tea. Right, so first of all, into a plastic bowl or a glass bowl or a metal bowl, whatever you've got. Okay, and we're going to sieve the flour and the baking powder and the salt into a bowl. Now we're using self-raising flour today. Okay, now this already has a raising agent added to it. Okay, so it's already got baking powder in there. Now when a liquid is added to that baking powder and heat is applied as well, it will produce carbon dioxide. So that's your raising agent. It is a chemical raising agent. Alright, so we've got the flour, we've got the salt, we've got the baking powder. So that's basically our dry ingredients in one bowl. Okay, we've sieved them to add lots of air to it. So again, hopefully this will help your muffins rise when they're in the oven. By the way, I've preheated the oven. 200 degrees centigrade, gas mark 6. Okay, so I'm going to put that to one side, and now I'm going to focus on the liquidy parts of the recipe. Okay, so I'm going to take another bowl, and into this bowl I'm going to combine vegetable oil. I'm going to add one egg, whole egg. Okay, I'm going to add some yogurt to the muffin mixture. Okay, so natural yogurt. I'm going to add my sugar. Okay, so that goes in as well. We need 75 grams of caster sugar, so it's a fine sugar, so it will dissolve quite quickly. And also we're going to add our lemon juice because these are lemon and blueberry muffins. Okay, so we've got a tablespoon of lemon juice here, so we're going to add that to the mixture. Okay, now what we're going to do next is we're going to stir all of these ingredients together with a tablespoon, just to mix them. Okay, so it's really easy, straightforward, dead easy. Okay, just going to mix all of those liquidy ingredients up, and you've got your sugar in there as well. So the sugar will be dissolving in that liquid now. Okay, so while we're stirring this is also aerating the mixture mechanically. Okay, that's fine. So all of those ingredients are mixed together. It's a nice smooth mixture. Okay, now next thing we're going to do is we're going to re-sieve the dry ingredients into the liquid mixture. And the reason we're double sieving basically, because we've already sieved the flour, but we're going to re-sieve it to make even more air, to add more air to the mixture. Okay, so again, sieve those ingredients in. So remember, in this little that plastic bowl, we've got the flour, the baking powder, and we've got salt. And we're also adding extra baking powder to this, guys, because the self-raising flour's got baking powder in it already, but we're also adding half a teaspoon on top of that to sort of double our chances of these muffins being really fluffy and light. Okay, so we've got the ingredients in there. We've only got one more ingredient to go, which I'm reserving for later. So there's your blueberries, that's it. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're just going to mix this. We're going to fold it, not too vigorously, okay, because otherwise we'll knock out all the air that we've added through sieving the flour and mixing it together a few minutes ago. Okay, so it hasn't got to be perfect. Okay, you will see some lumps still in there, but that's what we want. We don't want it to be a smooth batter. Okay, right, so that's perfect now. Okay, that sort of texture, that sort of consistency. So we've got our last ingredient now, which are blueberries. Whole blueberries, I've washed them just to remove any chemicals that may have been on there or dust and dirt. Okay, and they're just going to go straight in. And again, just stir the mixture together. Now I can hear this fizzing, okay, and there's already a chemical reaction happening, and I can see lots of little bubbles already being created in there, and that's because we've added liquid to the baking powder and the flour already. Okay, there's no heat applied yet, obviously, okay, but it's already starting to have a reaction. Okay, so that's your mixture, okay, and now we're going to divide it between 6 large cupcake cases, muffin cases rather, okay, so slightly bigger than your usual sort of cupcake size, all right, so you only need 6. All right, get 2 spoons and you're going to divide that mixture up evenly between the 6 cases. Okay, so here's the mixture. I'm now going to distribute that between the 6 muffin cases. If you use 2 spoons, it's a lot easier to get them in the mixture into the cases evenly without getting too much on the tin. Start with 1 tablespoon in each one, and then I'll top each one up. So they're a consistent outcome. They all look the same. Alright, so they're all ready to go into a preheated oven now for 20 to 25 minutes until they're well risen and golden brown on top.